Hello, my name is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Audi approved used vehicle.
So the vehicle featured today is this approved used Audi Q3 Sportback Black Edition 35 TFSI with the S-tronic transmission. Now this particular example is also finished in the optional Chronos grey metallic paint, which has really gave it that standout appearance. Now as you look towards the key features, and with this being the Black Edition model, it does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional Black Edition styling in the front and also with the rear apron and the side profile, as well as this having the black window surrounds, black tints and also black wing mirrors. Moving on now to the exterior key features, where we find these fantastic LED headlights which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the alloys, we find the Black Edition specific 19-inch Audi Sport matte grey alloys which do complement the grey paint. To the side of the Q3 now, there is the rear privacy glass, which does keep those rear occupants in view, as well as continuing the black and grey theme. Moving into the boot space, we found up to 530 litres of storage capacity, which is a large amount for a coupe SUV of this size, and this can easily accommodate 2 larger suitcases, as well as a few additional shopping bags, and the boot floor is also adjustable. Moving into the rear seats now, we find a half leather and half cloth interior. There is also a leather centre armrest which is folded down to present 2 useful cup holders, as well as the Isofix pointer which are neatly located across the back row, but there's also more than enough leg space to accommodate 3 occupants in the rear. Moving to the front now, we do find a very well designed and laid out cabin, with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, cloth, aluminium and Alcantara. With this being the Black Edition model, it does mean the vehicle gets these 2-tone leather seats which do have the Audi Sport S logo and the additional white stitching. Above now we find the virtual cockpit display, which has featured the 2 digital rev counters on the virtual display, which can also be adjusted where you can access your satellite navigation. Now to the centre of the dashboard there is the MMI touchscreen display, which again does feature satellite navigation and does also have access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now just below this there is the equally impressive dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and the heated seat functionalities are located either side of this for both passengers. To the screen above once again there is a reversing camera and the front and rear sensors, making this vehicle much easier to park.
So this vehicle does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months of roadside assistance. For more information or to book a test drive, do give us a call now on 01785 899 417.